What's up, gang? It's your boy Stock Money Asten here, and like usual, I'm gonna be hitting you today with my 3 hot stocks that I'll be keeping an eye on tomorrow to get that cash coming in. If you're joining me today, I want to thank you for tuning in, and since you're here, you might as well go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell. That way you know every time I drop new videos, because I'm coming with the heat all the time, and it'll be a shame if you missed out. Now I'm gonna make things short and sweet today, but before I get started, you know, for legal reasons, I gotta mention this. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not know the future. Everything I present to you on my channel is for educational purposes only and just my own opinion. Nothing here should be considered investment advice. Now with that out the way, let's just get to it. So first things first, let's look at how the overall market finished today. As you can see across the board, everything finished in the green. The Dow Jones was up about 0.8%, and so was the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq finished up almost a whole percent. The bull market regained its strength yesterday, and today we just kept on trucking. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow we continued up and hit new highs, because this market doesn't like to go down and it refuses to stay down. Now, reviewing my picks from last video, the first of which was CHWY, ticker symbol CHWY. CHWY was up a little bit over 0.5% today, or up 50 cents, to end the day at $83.20. The intraday low was $82.34, and the intraday high was $83.98. Now this stock pretty much drew out the letter V today. It started up, then it came down and gave you a chance to get in, and then it went back up. If you were patient and bought this stock on weakness around noontime, then you should have inked out a gain today. Even though it was small, a win is a win. Now proceeding on to another one of my picks was JD.com, ticker symbol JD. This one was up almost 2% today, or up $1.43 to finish at $75.30. The intraday low was $73.31, and the intraday high was $75.48. As you can see from the chart, this one gave you a chance to get in, but it was at the very beginning of the day, and you had to be laser focused and ready when the bell rung, because from there it took off and it never really looked back. It continued to gain throughout the day, and it ended on the high. Even though this stock jumped today, I feel like there's a lot more room to run because it's still down significantly from its 52-week high. And now checking out my final pick from my last video was SOFI, ticker symbol SOFI. SOFI ended the day up a whopping 10%, or up $1.50 to end at $16.56. The intraday low was $15.10, and the intraday high was $16.65. SOFI started off near yesterday's close, but throughout the day it just blasted off into outer space. During the first half of the day, it pretty much was just fueling up the rocket, and towards the second half, it took off. Man, oh man, I wish I would have known this was going to happen. Since it never dipped, I didn't pick up any shares today. But thankfully, I was already holding some because, like I say, I like to buy a lot of these stocks for long-term purposes when they're down a lot. So I was still able to benefit from the price action today. But had I known, I would have invested a great deal more amount of money. But it's all good. Now let's get to the exciting part. I'm going to give you my 3 hot stocks that I'll be keeping a close eye on first thing tomorrow to try to make some money. Stock number 1 is Beyond Meat, ticker symbol BYND. Beyond Meat is a food company that manufactures, markets, and sells plant-based meats. They're rapidly growing and they're becoming more and more recognizable by the day. Looking at the chart, Beyond Meat finished up about 1/3% today, or up 40 cents to end at $131. I'll be looking to pick this one up on weakness because it's came down into deal territory. And usually when it's around this price, it likes to spring back. So maybe tomorrow that'll happen and I can make some quick moolah. Now my number 2 pick for tomorrow is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is the famous company that's ran by the infamous Elon Musk. As you know, they make electric vehicles and energy storage units. Tesla is a profitable company and they're rapidly growing, and they're still expanding throughout the world. Looking at the chart, Tesla was down about 0.8% today, or down $5.21 to finish at $655.29. Even though most of the market was up today, Tesla didn't fall into that trend. So I'll be looking to pick up some shares tomorrow if I can get some continued weakness. This stock likes to bounce around, so hopefully I can lock in some quick cash, but if not, I don't mind holding it because there's earnings coming up soon, and this one may surprise to the upside. And my final pick for tomorrow is the Tattooed Chef company, ticker symbol TTCF. Tattooed Chef is also a plant-based food company. Currently, they sell frozen foods, but they just acquired a company to increase their manufacturing, so expect more products real soon. Looking at the chart, Tattooed Chef was up most of the day, but finished down about 1/3%, or down 7 cents to finish at $19.97. I feel like this stock is already a steal, so I'm excited to pick up more shares at this level or below. Hopefully I can get some turnaround action tomorrow, but if not, I don't mind holding this company because I believe there's a lot more exciting news coming up in the future. And if you didn't know, now you know. And guys, just so we're clear, when I mention 1, 2, 3, or first, second, third when it comes to my stock picks, I don't mean that I prefer trading or investing in a company over another one. Honestly, I do this based on alphabetical order because it makes sense to me. So I don't want you to think that I approach the market with more importance on one company versus another. I'll be looking at all these companies in the same way come tomorrow, and I'll be trading them the same way. I just wanted to mention that so that we're all on the same page and there's not any misunderstanding. Guys, now that we got that all wrapped up, I think you're ready for tomorrow. So just remember, you are beautiful, somebody thinks you're special, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.